guys, and welcome back. I have a question for you. When you pack for a trip, are you a roller, a packing cube user, or just a willy-nilly throw it all in and see if it fits kind of packer? And can I really fit everything into one carry-on for a 5-month trip? That's what I'm here to show you guys. And don't worry, I'm gonna leave a full list in the description box below so you can go ahead and check it out later. Over the past year, I've learned a lot about packing, what's worked, what hasn't worked, and the best thing about using a carry-on only, you don't have to worry about lost luggage if your bag is over the weight limit. And the biggest thing is you don't really need as much as you think you do. If you put a little planning in ahead of time, you'll be set. Do you guys like to roll your clothes? Do you like to use packing cubes? Because there can't be any willy-nilly packers out there. If you're a willy-nilly packer, leave me a comment below. I would like to know, because I can't possibly imagine there being people that just randomly stuff things in a bag and go on vacation or go on a long trip. I am 100% a packing cube packer, and I just haven't found rolling my clothes saves on wrinkles or space, so team packing cube for sure. Okay, so before we start packing all of these things into a vessel to use for our trip, I want to show you what I'll be packing in. And I have here an Osprey backpack. It is a 55-liter woman's backpack. It has 2 straps on the front. It also comes with a smaller personal item backpack. And these two can fit together 2 ways. So you can either zip it together and wear it as one big whole backpack, or you can clip it together and use it when this is on the front and this is on the back. This is the way I prefer to wear it because I feel like it distributes the weight a little bit better. So there you have it. Let's get packing. So before we start, I want to break this video down into 3 sections. So it's going to be clothes, tech, and toiletries, and what fits in the big bag and what I pack in the small bag. So let's start with tech gear. And in this small backpack or your personal item, I usually put in my cell phone, my power banks, I have a laptop, a DJI gimbal, my passport. These are all things that you're going to need to take out during security at the airport. I like to save a little space for last minute items like snacks, pens, my earbuds, and my travel blanket if there's space. And for my camera gear, all of this gets put into this little packing cube, and I basically disassemble all of my vlogging gear. So I have my camera, my external hard drive, extra cords, a universal adapter, and my vlogging mic. I feel like I don't carry that much camera equipment, so it fits nicely into this small packing cube. My clothes, I pack those into my packing cubes, and I have 3. I have one for bottoms, one for tops, and one for miscellaneous, like my underwear, my bathing suits, a towel, my pajamas. And then along the edges, if there's any type of room, I pack like little packages like this, a little change purse that I usually house my jewelry in. So this little container houses basically all my jewelry. I don't bring a lot of jewelry. And then I can use it for change, or when I'm going out, slip some money in, put it in my pocket, and I'm good to go. Almost all of my clothes are a solid color, so I have only one jumper that is kind of like a pattern that I can either dress up or dress down. For the most part, all of my clothes will mix and match really well together. I have one purple top, for example, that I can wear with all my bottoms, and that's 6 outfits, done and done. I also like to pack clothes that have more than one function. So for example, my purple shorts that I have, I can swim in my purple shorts, I can wear them to the gym, or I can just wear them out and about when we're just traveling for the day. So I also have my long sleeve swim shirt, which is a rashy shirt type material. So I use that when we're out on the scooter, protect my skin from the sun, and I can also use it to swim in. Speaking of items that have more than one function, I want to talk about buffs for a minute. I typically will bring 4 or 5 of these, and I wear these on a daily basis. Not only can you wear these on your head about 12 or so different ways, I use them for bandos at nighttime, or just to sleep in, go swimming in, or if your hostel or your Airbnb doesn't provide a washcloth, they make a great substitute. And they're a great simple little item that has a multi-purpose, doesn't take up a lot of room. So let's move on to toiletries. This is going to be different for everybody, but I pack in this 3-compartment bag. It is awesome. I've had it for a long time. And there are 4 items that I have that I bring that are makeup, and that is 1 eyeshadow, 1 eyeliner, waterproof mascara, and a brow pencil. That's it. I pack these items into a smaller bag, so if we go somewhere overnight, then I just bring that little toiletry bag instead of the whole big 3-compartment bag. I also include like floss, hair ties, everything that's little that I can jam into that black pack, I do. I also have wax strips, I bring a mirror, a hairband, and a menstrual cup. Now, I know only 22% of my subscribers are female, so guys, sorry, this doesn't pertain to you, but I have to talk about this product just for a second, and it is the menstrual cup. I use the Diva Cup brand, and especially if you're going to Southeast Asia, do they have sanitary products? Yes, they do. Are they limited? Absolutely. You can find pretty much any type of peri pad, but other options are very, very limited. So with the menstrual cup, it doesn't take up a lot of space. As you can see, it's very small, and it's great for the environment, good for your body, it's cost effective, and it's just an all-around great product. If you don't know what the menstrual cup is or curious about it, I will leave everything you need to know in the description box below. Okay guys, are you back? Let's continue packing. I pack a small travel size toothbrush, toothpaste, polysporin, flossers, hairpins, some hair ties, Vaseline, deodorant, makeup remover, manicure set with no scissors, and a pocket-friendly perfume that I bought in Southeast Asia, hair clips, and hairbrush. I also bring a razor, a nail file, and some nail polish, and that's all my toiletries, all folded up into one great bag. I do have miscellaneous items as well. I always bring a Contigo cup. It's a great insulated cup. A hat for the sun, always a hat. I have a cover for my backpack. It is a rain cover, and a pair of flip-flops, and then I'll bring a pair of runners that I wear onto the plane. So once I have everything out and packed into my packing cubes, we are ready to pack the backpack. Okay, so we are gonna start with the big backpack, and I typically will put in my shoes first for added cushion. Then my camera gear will go into the bottom. I put my travel cup on top of that, and then I have 3 packing cubes that I'll stack together. Then my toiletries will be the last thing I put in. I'll crisscross the straps in the backpack to get a better grip on the cubes, and then big backpack is ready for Mexico. Now that we have both items packed, I want to show you what it looks like when they're assembled together. So earlier in the video, I mentioned you can do this 2 ways. So you can zip the small one onto the big one and make one big backpack. I don't typically like to wear it like this. I find that it's back heavy, so it hurts my back. And so I like to have it one small backpack in the front and the big backpack in the back, and I'm kind of like wedged in between. I find that this distributes the weight better for my frame, better than the first option. Okay, so there you have it, everything that I'm packing for our 5-month trip. I am by no means a pro packer. I am still learning as I go, and it's definitely a challenge to pack for a long-term travel in a carry-on only, not gonna lie. So if there is something that you travel with that I might find helpful or need to know about, leave me a comment below, and I love reading all your comments. If you liked this video and found it helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if Mexico is on your list, and I hope to see you there. Bye guys.